आप ही के प्रोडक्ट्स को क्यों चूज करूं वर्सेस माय एग्जिस्टिंग वेंडर?
Good question that you asked. Ki why should you change your vendor or maybe look at Zone Beverage Solutions? So we are not just a products company. We are a complete beverage solutions company. What we offer as a beverage solutions are customized recipes, time to time customized training for your team, proprietary pump and serve solutions in an assembly line manner, wherein even with the high attrition, the product that you serve to your consumers across the country, across all outlets remains the same. A specific learning management system that can train your entire staff within flat 30 minutes across the country, across the length and breadth of this country, and make sure your corporate trainers का load जो है वो कम हो जाए, because we know how the attrition is in the country. Another thing that we offer is pan India supply chain. A lot of other brands don't offer this service of 19,000 plus pin codes पे 4 दिन के अंदर door delivery. Other peers definitely have longer lead times when it comes to order processing. We have an industry first order tag of close to 98% shipment within 24 hours flat. Some of our few achievements are custom NPD development. We work with your teams hands-on on creating custom flavors and products to offer to your consumers something new, something seasonal, something new for every seasonal launch.